was a talking blanket. And it was just Basti.
You scared Daddy.
Ikaw talaga.
Where are we going today, babes?
Where are we going today?
To Vietnam to see the beach.
Wow.
And are you going to play with the sandcastle?
Daddy,
Yeah.
are you going to be a pilot?
Yes. I'm going to fly your airplane today.
Can you speak in the radio again because I love you?
Aww.
Of course,
Wee.
you're gonna hear me later. I want you to wear this when you go to the airplane, huh? So pareho tayo. Wow. Wow. You
Wow.
look like a pilot police officer.
Wow. My
So
baby is so
guapo.
guapo. Go, hop in. So, where are we going now?
To Vietnam.
Yeah, we're going to the immigration counter first. Huh?
Yeah, I'm okay.
We are going to our room now, and our little boy is really, really excited to go. Babe, come here. I'm looking for Jen and Basking. They went ahead of me here to the beach. So yeah. For sure, Basti's having a great time playing with the sand. Hi, what are you doing? I need to change your pants, babes.
Why? My pants look
Let's put on your shoes together. Please.
okay.
Go, go.
License plate.
Basti, are you happy? We're back home?
Hey, why are you still wearing your shoes?
I'm going to make my shoes now. Okay, here you go, mommy.
Thank you.
But my slippers.
Find your spot. Yeah, I got your slippers in our luggage. I'll get it.
Okay.
So after our trip, it's the unpacking time. So we got so much bantia from our Vietnam trip. And super, super favorite ito ni Jen. In a sense na isang punong bag. Yeah. Super dami naming binili. And it's only in Vietnam that we get to hoard our favorite snack. And that's bantia. It's a durian hopia. Yeah, it's a durian hopia. And super love namin to. I think the rest we will bring in sa Pinas pag uwi namin. So we are here at the train station because we're going to the city for the 2025 countdown. And that's Jen buying us ticket for the train. So yeah, this will be our first time to celebrate the New Year countdown here in Taiwan because last year we just stayed in a hotel. So yeah, we're excited for tonight. See you later. Are you excited for the countdown later? Yeah?
What?
Huh? 18
Oh, no.
It's 18 Basking.
And then you insert the coins. Go.
Cash.
1,
Pumasok. Bilis ang kamay mo.
2,
Iba yung kamay mo. Wala.
5,
You need something. Need more.
6.
Babe.
Oh, my apple juice is there!
Sorry.
And this side. Taipei 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time check. Oh, 10 o'clock na.
Yes, 2 hours more.
Few minutes to go before the fireworks. And I will show you how the crowd looks like here. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Saan kaya ang next New Year?
New York.
Kasi say Happy New Year and Happy Holidays!
Happy New Year!
So the countdown is finished. Everyone who did the countdown here, Taipei 101, are on their way home. And this is how the crowd looks like. Everything is very organized. May crowd control. And hindi ako nag-worry na mahihirapan kami going to the train station. And right now, we just want to maximize the time to go to the restroom kasi yeah, we'll be traveling back to Xingtu. So that's Basti. He's still full of energy. Tignan ko ba yung makeup? Fresh pa ba? After getting off the train, we'll be walking slowly. Yay! We're a few steps away from home. Finally, we had a very memorable countdown. And we are so excited for this year ahead, right, babe?
That's so much to look forward
We're almost back in our house. Let's grab something to eat when we get home. We got hungry and super daming lakad. But it was really, really a memorable one. Right, babe? Time to rest. Good night and Happy New Year, everyone.